Hi everyone, welcome back. Paul says in Acts 20 verse 35 that it is more blessed to give than to receive. Unfortunately, we live in a world that is dominated by getting and receiving. But as Christians, we need to discern very clearly the difference between what I want and what I need. Now, when I talk about giving, I'm not talking just about an offering on a Sunday morning. I'm not just talking about finances, but I'm talking about a lifestyle, an attitude of heart that affects everything. The giving of my time, my finance, my talents, my ability, my efforts, my energy, my life. God is looking for those people who will not put a measure on anything, with no limitations, with no hindrances, but are free in every situation to give what they have. I once heard a missionary say that if the love of money is the root of all evil, then giving is the axe that cuts the root. He went on to say that we need to be people who live to give and give to live. Paul says in 2 Corinthians chapter 9, we must give of everyone purposes in his heart, not grudgingly, not of necessity. He goes on and he says that God is able to make all grace abound towards you in your giving. So he's looking for people who have a generous heart, a generous spirit that opens the door for the grace of God to come. Proverbs 11 says, one person gives freely, yet gains even more. But there are those who withhold, and to them comes poverty. It's so easy to fall into a mindset where we are stingy, where we are careful, we're always budgeting, we're always considering. We don't want to overgive, we don't want to be used or abused, as it were. But there needs to be a heart that is open and generous. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son. This is what God is looking for. Jesus said in Matthew chapter 10 verse 8, freely you have received, freely give. We read in the book of Proverbs that a generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed. That's what I want to be. And I encourage you to have the same desire, to be someone who is giving, looking for an opportunity to be a blessing in each and every situation of life. May the Lord really help us. God bless you.